Stick a sanitary pad to a mop. You'll never need to climb a ladder again. I'll show you how to do this trick. Take a sanitary pad and place it on the floor mop handle. Then, remove it from its packaging. Peel off the protective strips and stick it to the mop. Now, pour some dish soap onto the pad, followed by a bit of water. The pad will absorb the soap perfectly. Use this tool to clean your bathroom. You won't need a ladder anymore. People often forget how important it is to clean the bathroom walls. A lot of bacteria accumulate on the wall. You can also add some glass cleaner to the pad. With this trick, you'll reach every tile effortlessly. Watch as the pad picks up dirt perfectly. Your tiles will shine like never before. This trick is not only simple, but also very effective. A simple trick for a clean bathroom. Wash your bathroom walls this way, and the tiles will shine for a long time. It only takes a moment, and your bathroom will sparkle. You wouldn't believe what builds up on the tiles in your bathroom. With this trick, you'll easily remove all the dust from the tiles. Plus, it will prevent more dirt from settling. This trick adds shine to the cleaned surfaces. All you need are Swiffer cloths and a mop. Attach a cloth to the mop and start wiping down all the walls in the bathroom, even those high up near the ceiling that are usually hard to reach. After a moment, look at the mop. You couldn't see it with the naked eye on the wall. Once you've wiped down all the walls, take a second cloth and wipe them all again. Now they will stay clean for a long time. I repeat this process once a month, and I highly recommend you start doing the same. All you need is a Swiffer. A sanitary pad can clean your windows, and you'll never have to climb a ladder again. Let me show you the best way to clean your exterior windows. With this trick, your windows will shine like never before. Take a sanitary pad and attach it to a Swiffer. Then, remove it from the packaging. Peel off the protective strips and stick it onto the Swiffer. Now, spray the pad with window cleaner. Use this setup to wash your windows. You won't need to climb a ladder, and you'll be able to reach every window with ease. Remember to spray the pad with more window cleaner from time to time. Wipe the windows again. You'll see how the pad effortlessly picks up dirt. Your windows will be sparkling clean and shine like never before. You can also use this tool to clean the front and rear windshields of your car. It's a simple yet highly effective way to remove dirt and streaks. With a sanitary pad, your windows will be spotless. I no longer buy Swiffer floor cleaning cloths. I make them myself, and this trick will save you a lot of money. When you run out of those wet cloths, you can use the dry ones if you moisten them with a solution. But for floor cleaning, you'd need to use 2 cloths. I definitely prefer using reusable microfiber cloths. They work great for dusting when dry. To make them more effective, prepare an empty Swiffer cloth box or any other sealable container. Pour in 250 milliliters of water. Then add 125 milliliters of vinegar. The vinegar will help remove all the dirt from the surfaces. Next, add a tablespoon of citric acid. Mix everything so the citric acid dissolves. Place folded cloths into the container. Press them down gently. Then squeeze and flip them over. Leave them for at least 30 minutes. Now it's time to try this trick. Take out a cloth, attach it to your Swiffer, and wipe the floor. Not only does it pick up all the dust, but also notice how shiny your floor looks. I've stopped using disposable cloths, and I hope you'll stop too after trying this trick. Have you ever used bubble wrap to clean the floor? Give it a try and you'll see the difference. Flat floor mops are often chosen for floor cleaning. Despite their large surface area, you may often notice that dirt only accumulates on the edges. As a result, floor cleaning takes longer and isn't sufficiently effective. That's where the bubble wrap trick comes in handy. Almost everyone has this popular product at home. Before tossing it in the trash, we usually enjoy popping it. It's a stress-relieving activity that calms everyone down. However, you can use bubble wrap in another way before getting rid of it. A cleaner floor thanks to it will surely calm you down too. Bubble wrap has protrusions that allow you to wipe the floor with the entire surface of the mop. You'll evenly clean the entire floor. Use regular paper towels or some cloths for this. Spread them out and place bubble wrap on them. Place the mop on top of it. Wrap a paper towel with bubble wrap around it. Secure everything with rubber bands. Now you can start cleaning the floor as usual with this mop. You won't feel like the mop is skipping any bumps anymore. The bubble wrap will ensure that the floor is evenly wiped. Dirt will be collected across the entire surface of the mop. So you'll put in less effort into floor cleaning, and the result will be amazing. Try it on your floor and let us know what type of mop you use. Here's how you can refresh any wall without painting. It will be clean, free from dust and dirt. It turns out that Swiffer isn't just great for cleaning floors. I've discovered another excellent use for it, and I'm sure you'll start using it too. Cleaning your home has never been this enjoyable. Start by grabbing your Swiffer and attaching a dry dusting cloth to it. Thoroughly wipe down the walls. You might not see it with the naked eye, but they really are dusty. Just take a look at the cloth afterward. Next, prepare a bowl of warm water and add a bit of dish soap. Prepare it as if you were about to mop the floor. Take a microfiber cloth, soak it in the soapy water, and then wring it out well. It's important not to apply too much water to the wall. Now, attach the microfiber cloth to the Swiffer and use it to wash the wall. You'll clean it thoroughly without much effort. You can see that besides dust, my wall had some dirt too. Now it looks as if it has just been freshly painted. Take a dustpan, a stocking, and a few drops of a specific substance. This set will make your windows shine like never before. You'll forget about streaks forever. Everyone dreams of clean windows, but you don't have to spend money on special cleaning fluids. A homemade spray will make your windows sparkling and there won't be a single streak on them. Before you learn my recipe, familiarize yourself with the method of cleaning windows with a dustpan. Many people don't know that it can be useful when cleaning glass. However, it has something that is very useful for this task. It can replace a squeegee when you don't have one. The rubber element is perfect for this. And the stocking? Nylon tights and stockings have a certain property. No streaks or streaks appear on windows polished with them, even after rain. So if you polish your windows with an old stocking after washing them, they will shine for weeks. The window cleaning solution itself should have one important ingredient. It prevents dust, dirt, or grime from settling on the windows. It also reduces the risk of streaks. A small amount is enough for the windows to stay clean even twice as long as usual.